Well, we've got another amazing mystery box. This is the December box, which is running a little bit late because we're sort of a few days into January. Now, last month's box was amazing, so it had 2 autographed items, one of which signed by Tom Baker. So I don't think this box will top it, but let's have a look. So, stamp-wise, footballers this time, and just a 20p one. Again, I don't think that actually pays for the postage, but it's nice to see. So let's have a look. First item is a bag. So it's a Weeping Angels. Let's see next to that. So Weeping Angels tote bag. Unusual. Never seen that one before. I've been joined by someone. Here we go. Hey, Moo. Excuse the mess. I just destroyed the camera angle. There we go. You right, Moo Moo? You good girl? I think she senses as soon as the camera's on. It's repositions. So that's, there we go. So we've got a tote bag. I've never seen one with that design on before. Usually they're the ones with the TARDIS on. Next, we have a Dalek line tracker. So it's I think this is one of the ones where you draw a line with a crayon or a pen, and the Dalek follows that line. It's quite a good one. So it's Horrible New Paradigm Dalek. Next we have a CD, The Jigsaw War, so it's an audiobook. I do like these audiobooks. It's Companion Chronicles, so Fraser Hines performing it, so that's good. Happy with them, always happy with a nice CD. Don't feel like there's much else in here. Doctor Who Spork, it's just fell out. So if you've never seen these, I've got a few of these now. It's basically a spork, so a spoony fork with a sonic screwdriver handle. Yeah, they're not great. Them, they're only a couple of quid to buy if you wanted them. I've got about 4 now. So there's like a t-shirt. So Cyberman t-shirt, good quality t-shirt. I'd rather have a signed item than a t-shirt, but I do like t-shirts. So it's not amazingly great this time, and then I think that's it, other than the book, which is the Doctor Who Annual 50th anniversary one. I do actually have this, so it's always nice to see a Doctor Who Annual, but yeah, already got that one. So I think that's the lot. Yep, so not a great box this time, so a good t-shirt. Good CD, an OK Dalek tracker, a filler annual, a filler bag, and a filler spork. So nowhere near as good as last month's one. Didn't expect it to be. I'll probably keep it running for another month and see if it gets better. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.